Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Afterpay on Nike app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, using Afterpay on the Nike app, or in this case, in any purchases that you have here on Nike, is pretty easy. So in this case, what we need to do first here is we need to access Nike here and basically log in into our account if you already have one. But in this case, for you to use Afterpay on any of the purchases here on Nike, you just need to proceed with the checkout. But just some warning here, if your region does not support Afterpay for Nike, then unfortunately you won't be able to use Afterpay here. But then again, if you're in a region that supports Afterpay, then you'll be able to use it. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to add some items. So for example, maybe we want to add a shoe here. So as an example, maybe I want to choose for men's here, and I want to go ahead and choose one of these shoes here. So maybe I want to use or choose this one. Just go and click on it, and we want to go ahead and choose our size. So let's go ahead and choose our size here. So let's choose this one, click on add to bag, and let's go ahead and click on the checkout button. Now, in this case, in the checkout page, you should be able to choose your way or payment method that you want to use for your payment. So the great thing about Nike here is they already provide you the way to use Afterpay. So in this case, just provide your address here and some details. But at the payment section here, you should be able to see Afterpay. So in this case, if you want to use Afterpay, just click on Afterpay here, and you can go ahead and choose your interest. So or in this case, you could basically choose how you the payments that you need to do here. So if you want to see more info about it, just click on more info. It's going to give you more details, and also you should be able to basically have or record this one just in case. But in this case, once you fill all the information here and chosen your payment method, which is in this case Afterpay, you should be able to see or it says proceed with Afterpay here, and you just need to basically log into your account for you to buy the items that you want here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.